This is an unboxing for a little clay kit that I just got. It's called Sparkles the Unicorn, and it came in this box, and it had everything inside. Look, see, you've got a little sticker, and it's supposed to have all the tools that you need to make this little creature. And actually, I have a lot of grandkids, so I thought this would be fun to do together with them. So you're going to see it just as I see it as I'm taking it out of the box. There is an instruction manual, and it has, oh look, it's got the clay in it, the 7 pre-cut pieces of wire, the brush for the glaze, the sculpting knife, the sculpting tool, and the glaze. That's what's supposed to be in the box. And oh, it's got really good instructions on how to make it. And what I like about this is you can make it your own. You can do exactly what it says in the kit, or I can allow my grandkids to be creative, because I like to be creative, and change it up. This is really good. It shows you exactly what to do. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, and inside it even had the cutest little sticker. I think that's wonderful. Okay, so let's open this and see exactly what is inside the box. And I think this is for a child 5 to 8 years old, or for adults if you like working with clay. And so think about what they'd be thinking when they took it out of the box. And here's what I'm gonna take it out and put it right here. And we're gonna figure out exactly what it is that we're doing. By the way, I am really excited to tell you that this kit is actually made right here in the United States in Minnesota. Okay, oh, hey, clever. Oh, I love this. Look, step 1, body. So we can organize it. So you know exactly what you're supposed to do. Oh, look, step 2, legs and hooves. Where's step 3? Step 3. Oh, that's extra clay. This is step 4. Where's step 3? Hold on. Okay, 4 goes here. There we go. Oh, that's 5 and 6. Hold on. Did I miss something? Step 1, step 2, steps 4, 5, and 4 and 6. Where's 3? Alrighty. Now, this is where you go back to the booklet and you figure out what you're supposed to do. Oh, clever. Step 3 is smoothing it all down. I've done some clay work. I used to work in a store where we did a lot of work with clay and whiteware, and it was really neat. So this is going to be a lot of fun, and it's a skill that I can actually pass on to my grandkids. Okay, so there's all the pieces. So let's go by the book right here. Step 1. That is this one right here. Okay, and that's got your clay pieces in it. So step 1, body. Step 2, you make the legs and the hooves, and there's the clay and the pieces that are needed for it. Oh, that's where the 4 leg wires go. See, there's the 4 leg wires. Actually, yep, pieces of wire. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Then we went, that was step 2. Step 3, the one I was looking for, it's smoothing it. So you're going to smooth it all out so it looks nice and neat, like a little unicorn. And then step 5, here, this is the horn and the eyes. Nope, wait a minute, go back. Step 4 is the mane and the tail. Okay, oh, and it's got the different colors. Okay, and it tells you exactly what you're supposed to do. This is excellent. Okay, horn and bangs, and step 6 is the eyes. Okay, so really, if you just sit down with the kids and go through the booklet, lay it out, everything's right here. It's in its own, each individual little package. This is cool. Okay, and it's got the brush that you need and the clay tools. That's totally cool. I can barely wait to get my grandkids over and do this together with them. And they all come in this nice package. So you can either, if your grandkids live near you, have them come over to your house and do it together with them, or you can actually send it to them. And I'm going to put the link down below where you can get it from. Anyway, this is Sparkles Unicorn. I'm really excited about this. I think it's very well done. It's organized so that you can get it, your grandkids can get it, your kids can get it. Totally cool. Oh, look, there's more. You can get others too. But you need the pig, the alien. We got this one. Spike the cactus. Oh, look at it. S'more. That's the cutest thing ever. Oh, and I love the bird. I think I'll be getting the bird. Anyway, that is the unboxing so that you know exactly what you're going to get to make this absolutely adorable unicorn. I hope you enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it. And again, look for the link below and I'll show you where you can order one.